This is Suki rosin. Almost everyone in this country likes natural. They think natural is better than processed. So first of all, I offer you exhibit one. This is pretty cute, isn't it? She is not natural. She comes from a wolf. She doesn't look like a wolf, but a great deal of human intervention has occurred to produce this little creature. Now you say, well, we're not eating dogs. It's food that we're worried about. Well, how about corn? Chocolate, you like them? There's nothing like corn and chocolate in the natural world. They were produced again by centuries of selection by humans, intervention. So if we like corn and chocolate and puppies, why are we so upset when somebody puts a gene into an organism? We've been selecting genes in and out of organisms for millennia. And so our concern, I'm working on this with Sydney Scott, who's a graduate student here, is why are people so upset about genetically modified organisms? In particular, in Europe, Western Europe, they're essentially illegal as food. In this country, of course, they're legal. But people are concerned that people are poking in and changing the genome of an organism, something we've been doing for millennia. So what's so special when someone in a white suit does it as opposed to a farmer or someone like that? So there's a piece of non-natural occurrence going on up there. So what we're interested in is, it turns out that for many people, nature is a sacred value. It's something that we shouldn't tamper with, forgetting about the dogs and the chocolate and the corn, and it's moral in the sense that they don't care what the evidence is for and against the value of a genetic transformation. They're against it in principle. And that is a problem because some genetic transformations have enormous value both for the environment and for human beings. Others may not. So what we should be doing is case by case, looking at what are the benefits, what are the risks. But if a good percentage of people think the benefits and risks are irrelevant, that it's just tampering with nature, then we have a social problem. So we're trying to understand how Europeans and Americans think about this, and also eventually how people in the developing world do. So thank you.